Welcome to this episode of Tailgate Talks. Have you seen the latest in wood look ceiling visuals? It's something new and you have to see it to believe it. This product combines the popular look of wood ceilings with a lightweight acoustical panel without the expense. It's a budget-friendly wood look panel that's fast and easy to cut. It doesn't require climate-controlled acclimation and it absorbs a bunch of sound. All with a fast lead time and a variety of sizes. Want to know more? Hang tight. Okay, here's the wood look panel. Just look at this. Can you tell it's not real wood? The detail is amazingly real, even sitting this close to it. Imagine it up in the ceiling. How realistic will it be then? It's actually part of our LYRA PB line of ceilings, but with a wood look finish. What does it mean for you, our contractor partners? Well, you can achieve the look of wood with a lightweight, sag-resistant panel that's easy to cut with a utility knife. This results in a fast and easy installation that doesn't even require specific climate-controlled spaces prior to install. If acoustics are important on your project, you'll achieve a 95 NRC with LYRA PB wood look ceilings. LYRA PB wood looks is offered in 4 standard finishes for 9/16 inch square tegular. You have brown sugar walnut, like I'm holding here, coordinated with our black suspension and trims. You have toffee chestnut, coordinated with our oat suspension and trims. And you have vanilla ash and honey oak, which are both coordinated with our hay suspension and trims. These have a short lead time with 1 carton minimums with 6 standard panel sizes offered as well. You can also get these finishes made to order in 15/16 inch square tegular and lay-in as well. Now, we also have 4 made to order wood look visuals for both 9/16 inch and 15/16 inch square tegular as well as lay-in. You have coconut birch paired with our ivory suspension and trim. Earl Grey teak paired with gray stone suspension and trim. Dark mocha walnut and bourbon cherry paired with black suspension and trim. If you're bidding a project or just awarded one that is looking for a sustainable, budget-friendly wood ceiling solution, LYRA PB wood look ceilings are your ace in the hole. You can get pricing in order 6 inch by 6 inch or full-size 2x2 samples through your distributor. You can also order samples by emailing BPO National Sample Center at armstrongceilings.com. If you want to know more, visit armstrongceilings.com/LYRA wood look.